Hi. Are you guys excited for this? Hi guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then you're not gonna have any freaking clue what I'm about to talk about. If you're not new and you are part of the Glitta fam, part of the sub fam, part of the Insta fam, Snap fam, all the fams, then you guys know exactly what this video is all about. And I know you guys have been dying to hear about my brand new series. You guys ready? Kill me. Before I tell you what the series is about, I want to kind of go into why I'm doing this series. I came up with this idea that I'm going to tell you in a sec, don't worry. You don't want to hear all the sappy stuff, you can skip ahead. This way, I don't know which way it is. I think it's this way. Where do I begin? I feel like, obviously, like, we could sit here and talk about how YouTube has changed, Instagram has changed, and how social media is changing, and the platform is just so, there's just so many people, it's just oversaturated, blah blah this, blah blah that. I think what it comes down to for me, you guys, is that what you're doing right now, you watching me, is essentially giving me a career. I have chosen this as my career. This is all that I do. This is all I eat, sleep, drink. This right here. This is me. This is what I do. And it's freaking amazing to say that. I went from my bachelor's and then to my master's, and while in my master's, I turned this whole thing around, started making enough money where I could move out of my parents' house and be here with you guys as often as I can. Monday through Friday, Sunday through Saturday, every single day, 24/7, 365, 366 on those years when there's the extra day, you know? But basically what I'm trying to say is that sometimes doing this as a career, you kind of lose your creativity, you lose your passion within the job, because it starts to become, okay, well, I really need to grow and I really need to make money because I have to feed myself in order to continue to do something that I love. And I don't ever want to lose me, and I've never lost me. You know, maybe along the path of life, I've jumped or fell off, and I just think that sometimes I feel like it's always around this time of year, because Halloween and Christmas time is just, there's so much inspiration and there's so many things to be inspired by, because I mean, it's freaking Halloween. I mean, come on. And Christmas is the happiest month of the year, at least for me. I think around this time of year, I start to get really boring, and that's what I felt. I felt like my content was boring, even though you guys told me it wasn't. I still felt like I wasn't being as creative and wasn't showing you guys what type of makeup really, or beauty or videos and things truly make up what who I am, and what puts me apart from everybody else that's out there. That is really what brought me to this point. What brought me to my success is what made me different from everyone else. And I feel like I lost that. So I have been dying to come up with some kind of challenge that's just super innovative, super different, super just out of this world, challenging for me, but also something that is so creative, but also something that's super entertaining, and also something that incorporates new brands and old brands and creates a connection with those people, because you guys are important, and so are the people that work with the brands that want to work with me. Just all of the factors in general are important, and I needed something that would encompass all of that. So I've been giving you guys sneak peeks and hints. I have been planning this series out for the past 2 months. 2 months. I fully dedicated myself to this series. There are 26 videos in this series. And yes, it's a very specific number, and you guys could have guessed it already by me just telling you that one clue that there's 26 videos in the whole series. So the series is called the Alphabet Series, or the ABC Series. Every single video is going to focus on one letter. So for example, the first video that you guys are gonna see is on the letter A. And that video is only going to be using brands that start with the letter A. So Anna Sui, Anastasia, Avon, like I don't even think I can think of any others off the top of my head. But you guys get it. It's only brands that start with that specific letter. So B is only brands that start with the letter B. I got a little creative as we went along, and each of these videos is gonna be completely different from the other. And I want them to be super different, you know, stuff that's trending, stuff that is, you know, new products that I've never tried before, or products I haven't tried together, or just, it's just, I'm so excited to start doing this series for you guys because every single video is completely different from the other. Now, my goal for this series, you guys, is to be as creative as possible. So this look right here, this is boring to me. This is not, I love it, it's beautiful, it's wearable, but it doesn't get like my glitter coming out. You know, it doesn't make the glitter come out of my body. So there's gonna be tons of glitter, tons of creativity, tons of just different videos. And essentially, I want you guys to understand my process on how I'm doing this. It's gonna be a challenge, first of all, because even though I've prepared so many parts to this series, when it comes down to it, I have never used some of these products before, and I've never used some of these products with each other before, and maybe I've never created this specific type of look before. I really want to challenge myself. I want to come up with super creative ideas, stuff that's super, super just unique and different and just beautiful all together in its own creative way. And of course, I don't want every single video to be me sitting in this little studio space right here. I checked Sephora, Ulta, Riley Rose, Beautylish. I checked a website that had a list of every brand in the entire world, and I went through all of it. And I'm gonna try to make it as entertaining as possible. I think just by the fact that I'm using only brands that start with one letter, it's pretty entertaining on its own, especially when we get to the letters like later, like Q. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that is my big surprise. It feels really good to kind of like let that out because I have been really working hard on this for a really long time, and it's going to be a lot of work, but I just know that it's going to be super, 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 super worth it. But with that being said, I am really, 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 really excited to share this series with you guys, and I am over the moon excited to see what you guys think of it. And I don't know, I'm really excited, and I'm so happy that all of you guys are still here. You guys are still supporting me, still love what I do. And don't worry, you guys, there is still going to be a Foundation Friday up every Friday, a Skincare Sunday up every Sunday, and this series, which I probably should have mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but this series is going to go Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of every single week. So there's gonna be 3 videos up every single week until all of the letters are complete. And each of these videos encompasses everything, you guys, not just makeup, skincare, hair, bath, beauty, hair. Did I say makeup? So with that being said, it's out! I'm alive. Yay! Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what letter you're most excited for, and if you're excited for this series, if you guys have any ideas. I am gonna be naming all of my looks after the letter. So if you guys have any ideas for the letters, like Amazonian Angel, that may or may not be A. So leave all of your comments and love and thoughts all below. Thank you guys so much for your consistent support and your consistent love. It means the absolute world to me, and I hope you guys are as excited as I am about this brand new series. Make sure to subscribe so you do not miss out on any of the videos from this series. Remember, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If YouTube isn't notifying you, put it in your phone, put an alarm in, put it in your calendar, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then, you know, Friday and Sunday. But make sure your notifications are on here on YouTube. After you've subscribed to me, click the notification bell. Make sure there's 2 lines on the side saying that the notifications are on and that you're receiving notifications every time I upload. Okay, guys? Okay. I'm gonna make a special playlist for all of the videos in this series that you guys can click on. But for now, check out all of the rest of my videos. I love you guys. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the first video.